Do you struggle with sticking to a healthy diet? It's a common challenge indeed. You might find yourself battling cravings for sugar or salty snacks, or perhaps you're overwhelmed by complex diet plans and confusing nutritional advice. Some of us may be struggling to balance healthy eating with a busy schedule, while others have trouble maintaining motivation over time. If you've been facing these challenges, you're not alone. But the good news is, there are simple ways to overcome them. The first step to sticking to a healthy diet is to start small. Just as you wouldn't run a marathon without first training, you shouldn't overhaul your diet overnight. Instead, make small, manageable changes. This could be as simple as adding more vegetables to your dinner plate, or swapping that mid-afternoon candy bar for a piece of fruit. Why is this approach effective? Well, it's all about building sustainable habits. When we try to change too much at once, it can quickly become overwhelming. This overwhelm can lead to burnout, making it more likely that we'll abandon our healthy eating goals. But by starting small, we give ourselves the opportunity to adjust gradually. We can celebrate each small victory, which motivates us to keep going and makes the process feel less daunting. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that first small step towards a healthier diet today. Our second tip is all about planning and preparation. Meal planning is your secret weapon for maintaining a healthy diet. You see, when you plan your meals ahead, you're less likely to fall into the trap of impulsive, unhealthy eating. It's akin to laying out a roadmap for your meals, directing you towards healthier choices. And preparation? That's the vehicle that drives you along this road. Preparing meals in advance not only ensures that you have healthy options readily available, but it also saves you time. No need to scramble for a meal when you're already hungry or short on time. You've got your meal ready to go, packed with nutritious goodness. Whether you're cooking for the week or just for the next day, a little planning and preparation can go a long, long way. With a plan in place, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating goals. The third tip is something we often overlook: hydration. Essential to every cell in our body, water plays a massive role in the success of a healthy diet. It's not just about quenching thirst. Water helps transport nutrients to our cells, flush out waste from our bodies, and even maintain our body temperature. But did you know that staying hydrated can also help curb those pesky cravings? Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger. So the next time you're feeling peckish, try having a glass of water first. You might just be thirsty. Proper hydration also aids digestion, ensuring that our bodies absorb the nutrients from the healthy food we're consuming. This promotes overall health and wellness, helping us feel our best. Remember, drinking water isn't the only way to stay hydrated. Foods like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges are not only delicious but also packed with water. Stay hydrated and you'll be well on your way to sticking to a healthy diet. The fourth tip is to practice mindful eating. So what exactly is mindful eating? It's the act of paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. It's about noticing the colors, smells, flavors, and textures of your food, chewing slowly, getting rid of distractions, and learning to cope with guilt and anxiety about food. Mindful eating has numerous benefits that can aid in sticking to a healthy diet. It encourages you to acknowledge your responses to food without getting tangled in judgment, fostering a better relationship with eating. It helps you recognize and cope with your body's hunger and satiety cues, leading to natural weight control. It enhances your digestion as you're not hurriedly swallowing your food. And importantly, it makes eating an overall more pleasurable experience. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy diet. The fifth tip is to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Now, exercise is not just about losing weight or building muscles. It's a crucial part of maintaining one's overall health and enhancing the effects of a healthy diet. Regular physical activity helps regulate your metabolism, which can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, exercising can also create a positive feedback loop in your brain. When you exercise, your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. These endorphins can make you feel happier and more energetic, which can encourage you to make healthier food choices. Additionally, regular exercise can help control your appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. It's like a secret weapon that helps you stick to your diet without feeling deprived or restricted. So, remember, a healthy lifestyle is not just about what you eat. It's also about being active and taking care of your body. Exercise and a healthy diet go hand in hand. The sixth tip is to maintain a positive attitude. The power of positivity cannot be overstated when it comes to sticking to a healthy diet. Our mindset plays a critical role in our dietary decisions. It is our brain that decides what we eat, how much we eat, and when we eat. So, it's crucial to keep a positive outlook and believe in our ability to make healthy choices. Having a positive attitude can make the journey to a happier lifestyle more enjoyable and sustainable. Instead of seeing your diet as a daunting mountain to climb, view it as an exciting journey of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the process, celebrate your small victories, and remember that every step you take is bringing you closer to your goal. Positivity can also help you bounce back from setbacks. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Instead, use it as a learning experience and move forward. A positive attitude can make all the difference. The seventh tip is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. It's not just about what you eat, but also when and how well you rest. Sleep is a powerful regulator of appetite, energy use, and weight management. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies crave high-energy foods to compensate for the lack of rest. Furthermore, without adequate sleep, our bodies produce more ghrelin, a hormone that signals hunger, and less leptin, a hormone that tells us we're full. This imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. A lack of sleep also impacts our ability to make good food choices, often leading us towards unhealthy options. But it's not just diet that's affected. Poor sleep can lead to a multitude of health issues, from a weakened immune system to heart disease. So as you strive to stick to a healthy diet, remember to prioritize your sleep. Good sleep is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. The eighth tip is to surround yourself with a supportive network. The journey to a healthier lifestyle can sometimes feel like a solitary endeavor, but it doesn't have to be. Having a support system in place, be it family, friends, or a professional like a nutritionist, can make all the difference. Imagine having someone to share your victories with, someone who understands your struggles, someone who can offer advice when you're unsure. A support system can provide that for you. They can be your cheerleaders, your motivators, and your accountability partners, helping you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. You see, when we feel supported, we are more likely to stick with challenging tasks, like maintaining a healthy diet. We feel empowered, encouraged, and more resilient in the face of adversity. So reach out, build your network, and lean on them when you need to. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. The ninth tip is to be consistent. This is where the magic happens. Consistency is the invisible thread that weaves all our efforts together. It's the steady rhythm that keeps our healthy habits in sync and makes them second nature. Imagine you're learning a new dance. You wouldn't expect to master it after just one session, right? Similarly, a healthy diet isn't an overnight transformation. It's a commitment to consistently make better choices, meal after meal, day after day. But here's the good news. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Our brains are wired to form habits, and consistency helps you do just that. When you consistently choose a salad over a burger or water over soda, you're not just making a one-time choice. You're training your brain to prefer these healthier options. So embrace consistency, not as a chore, but as the champion of your health journey. Remember, the road to a healthy diet isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency is key to sticking to a healthy diet. The 10th tip is to be patient with yourself. This cannot be stressed enough when we talk about sticking to a healthy diet. We live in an era of instant gratification, where we want to see results immediately, and if we don't, we can easily lose motivation. But the truth is far from it. When it comes to healthy eating, changes may take time to show, and that's perfectly okay. It's important to remember that each body is unique and responds differently to dietary changes. You might not see immediate changes in your weight or energy levels, but that doesn't mean your efforts aren't working. It's just that our bodies take time to adjust and respond. So do not get discouraged if you don't see instant results. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Remember, it's not a race, but a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Patience is crucial in your journey toward the healthier lifestyle. The final tip is to be flexible. Yes, you heard it right. Flexibility is key to maintaining a healthy diet. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, it's about understanding that perfection isn't the goal here. It's about progress, not perfection. So, if you occasionally indulge in your favorite treat, don't beat yourself up. It's okay to give in to temptation once in a while. It's not a sign of failure, but rather an opportunity to learn and adjust your plan. Remember, a healthy diet isn't about strict limitations. It's about creating a balance and enjoying your life. Also, being flexible means adopting your diet plan according to your body's needs and your personal circumstances. You see, our bodies are unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So listen to your body and make adjustments when needed. In conclusion, flexibility can make your diet plan more enjoyable and sustainable. Embrace it, and you'll find your journey toward the healthier lifestyle much more rewarding. So those were the 11 simple ways to stick to a healthy diet. From starting small in meal planning to the power of hydration, mindful eating, regular exercise, positivity, quality sleep, a support system, consistency, patience, and flexibility. Each of these steps, when incorporated into your daily routine, can lead to sustainable, healthy eating habits. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but small, manageable shifts that can make a big difference. With these tips, sticking to a healthy diet is no longer a daunting task, but a rewarding journey towards better health.